If a cat is scratching at its ears or shaking its head from side to side, it may have ear mites. These tiny parasites can cause intense itching and discomfort. Thankfully, there are several ways to help get rid of ear mites in cat. Maintain regular cleaning of your cat's ears to prevent infections and buildup. Check for redness, odor, or excessive wax. Regular ear checks help keep your cat comfortable and healthy. Gently clean the cat's outer ears with a vet-approved ear cleaner and a cotton ball or gauze to wipe away the coffee ground debris. Be very gentle and only clean the outer part of the ear. Stop if the cat seems in pain and contact your vet. Make your cat comfortable and wait until your cat feels relaxed. Use a soft cloth to wipe the outer ear if there is any discharge, but do not go deep into the ear canal. This helps prevent reinfestation from other animals. Keep your cat bedding clean and wash it regularly. Make sure to treat any other pets in the household as well, since ear mites spread easily. Grasp the tip of the ear and gently pull it back to expose and straighten the ear canal. Then squeeze some ear cleaning solution into your cat's ear, just enough to fill the ear canal. Make sure the tip of the bottle does not touch the cat's ear to prevent the spread of bacteria or yeast. Continue to hold the ear flap with one hand and gently massage the base of the ear with the other for about 30 seconds. This allows the cleaning solution to break up the debris inside the ear canal. Allow your cat to shake her head afterward. Next, clean and wipe the outer part of the ear. Avoid inserting cotton swabs or any objects into the ear, as this can cause injury or push debris further in. Add a few drops of ear cleaner onto a cotton pad. While still holding the ear flap, use the cotton pad to wipe away debris from the inner part of the ear flap and the ear canal. Use a new, dry cotton pad to remove any remaining cleaning solution and debris from the outer ear canal and ear flap. For the next method, open the lid of the bottle and put some UltraGuard cleaner on a cotton bud. Do not use the bottle nozzle, as it can hurt the cat's ears. Gently clean the cat's ears with the solution, rubbing the ear surface softly. Do not push the cotton bud deep into the ear. After cleaning one ear, move to the other ear and repeat the process. If your cat needs a break, let them relax and then continue applying the ear mite cleaner. You will notice your cat's ears getting relief from ear mites. With the right care, patience, and treatment, your cat can be free of ear mites and back to exploring the world comfortably.